guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Restorations. I wanted to show you one of the Beetles that I picked up that ended up moving on to another home. This was kind of a rare one, man. It was a 72 or 70, no, 72, but it was one of those semi-automatics, man. You didn't see these very often. As you can see, though, this thing was toasty. It was crusty and crunchy everywhere. Now, it was an early Super Beetle. It didn't have the curved windshield, so it was a 1302 model. No, 1301 model. But at first I thought, wow, it'd be kind of cool to cut this thing up and make like a Super Baja or something. But it was so rough. It was so rough on the inside. You can see the floorboards were shot. The Napoleon hat was shot. The glass was busted in several places. It was just ugly, ugly, ugly. Seats were surprisingly decent, but the back seats were garbage and missing. And there was a bunch of trash and stuff in here. So you can see not too healthy, not too happy. So I ended up parting ways with it. I sent it on to another Volkswagen collector. He's going to be using it for a parts car, unfortunately. But I did find some cool stuff inside, though. He snagged before we sent it on its way. Anyway, I thought I'd share it. It's a short video, but that's Volkswagen content. See ya.